So this is how to delete your Wealthsimple account. So once you guys open up Wealthsimple, I want you guys to go to the top right and press on the profile icon. Once you're on the profile page right here, I want you guys to once again go to the top right and select the gear icon. Then once you're on this page right here, there's a bunch of different options under settings, but what I want you guys to select is sort of right in the middle, in between notifications and security. I want you to select on personal information. So once you're on the personal information page right here at the very bottom, where it says delete profile, I want you to go ahead and select that option right there. It's very important to note that when you guys are deleting your profile, make sure that you guys take out all the money that are in your bank accounts. If you want to close individual accounts, that's a different way, but this way, if you go to the very bottom and press delete profile, you can delete the profile this way of your Wealthsimple account. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to delete a Wealthsimple account. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.